So hi you all mga sismores, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video and content, another impression and reviews na naman tayo sa Android phone naman. So previously we have an impression with an iPhone, but right now I decided na why not Android phone naman yung ating i-review. So tara mga sismores, let's go and check. So yes, you heard it right mga sismars. For today's video, reviews and impression naman tayo. But right now, Android phone, which is yung ating Samsung S22 Ultra. Let's go ahead and do a quick specification look with this Android phone. So, si Samsung S22 mga sismars was released way back on year 2022 at meron itong display na 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display na merong 128 refresh rate. And one thing that I love with this Samsung S22 Ultra is yung kanyang body feel. So front and back details niya ay Gorilla Glass Victus Plus na siya at aluminum frame na ito. Sa chipset ng S22 Ultra, ito ay Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 na merong OS na Android 12 One UI 6.1. Meron ding 4 variants when it comes to storage itong si ating Samsung S22 Ultra. So, meron siyang 128GB na merong 8GB RAM, 256GB na may 12GB RAM, 512GB na may 12GB RAM, and yung pinakamatasa sa storage nila which is 1TB na merong 12GB of RAM. When it comes naman sa preference sa color ni S22 Ultra, so meron tayong Phantom Black, White, Burgundy, Green, Graphite, Red, Sky Blue, and Bora Purple. So pagdating naman sa camera mga sismars, si Samsung S22 Ultra ay merong quad camera. Yung main camera niya ay merong 108 megapixel. Meron din tong telephoto na 10 megapixel. Periscope telephoto na 10 megapixel, and also yung kanyang ultra-wide na 12 megapixel. Sa selfie camera naman itong S22 Ultra natin, meron siyang 40 megapixel at yung front-facing camera niya, when it comes sa video recording, cover naman yung 4K resolution na merong 30 to 60 FPS. At syempre hindi din nagpakabog si S22 Ultra when it comes sa battery niya dahil meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery capacity. So that's it. That is our quick specification when it comes sa ating S22 Ultra. So let's go ahead and proceed naman checking and flexing yung camera ng S22 Ultra. So I have here some samples of video and also pictures with S22 Ultra. Sample of Samsung S22 Ultra currently using the main camera. Ayan yung times 6 nilang zoom, 1, 3, and also yung 10, as you can see right there. Ooh. Ayan yung times 10. Ayan, ang ganda din. And you also have an option to flip the camera din, ha. Ayan o, hold on. Let's try to flip the camera. Ang ganda nung ano. Bam! So, ayan yung tinry natin flip yung camera natin. So, earlier we were using the main camera, but right now I'm using the front-facing camera. So, let's try again flipping the camera back sa main camera. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. 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 Hold on. There you go. So, video sample of S22 Ultra. So, andito ako ngayon sa aming kwarto. So, please bear with me since di pa ako naliligo. This is my setup right there. That's my coffee. Ayan. And yes, that's it. That is our camera samples and also video samples when it comes sa ating S22 Ultra. So if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, are you going to recommend this phone? Of course, for me mga sis-Mars, yes. But if you're going to ask me when it comes sa camera, okay ba si Samsung? Opo, okay na okay yung camera niya. But yung front-facing camera niya kasi for me, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung mga iPhone. Though, malaki naman yung camera megapixel when it comes to selfie camera ni Samsung, which is 80 or 40. Hold on, let me just go back and check again. So yeah, 40 megapixel nga yung selfie camera niya. Malinaw siya, pero hindi talaga kasi ako fan ng mga Android phone na merong option to smoothen your skin tone, something like that. Slender your face, maglagay ng contour or something like that. I'm not a fan of that features when it comes sa Android phone. Kaya siguro mas prefer ko si iPhone when it comes sa selfie camera or when it comes sa camera. I'm not saying na wala ding filter si iPhone. Yes, may filter sa iPhone, but me as a user of iPhone, I'm not using an iPhone na merong filter. Mostly talaga ginagamit ko talaga is nag-a-adjust lang ako ng contrast, brightness for me to get a quality samples of pictures, something like that. And also, syempre, dapat may maganda ka ding, ilaw para din naman maganda yung kakalabasan ng videos or pictures mo. Aside from that, of course, meron din naman akong good thing or meron din naman akong nagustuhan kay Samsung's pagdating sa camera niya. So sa camera niya kasi na 108 megapixel yung main camera niya, that is actually superb. Kasi si iPhone ang pinakamataas niya atang main camera is 48 megapixel, which is napag-iwanan na ni Samsung na merong mabibigay na 108 megapixel. So sobrang layo na ng difference nilang dalawa. But if you're going to compare, of course, their camera, I'll go with Samsung kasi si Samsung meron siyang 100 times to zoom in yung kanyang photo. While si iPhone naman, wala naman kasi siyang option to do that. Medyo limited lang talaga kung gaano mo siya pwedeng i-zoom. So, yun lang yung difference nila napansin ko. And same din si Samsung din naman, stabilize naman din yung yung videos niya when it comes sa video. And also iPhone, meron din siya of course option doon, which is yung action mode. So, for me, if you're going to ask me about the camera, of course, winner talaga si Samsung sa main camera niya. But if you're going to ask me about selfie camera or front-facing camera, I'll go with iPhone. Kahit na mababa naman yung front-facing camera ni iPhone, still, meron pa siya magandang quality na may big-big. Again, hindi po ako pro when it comes to reviewing the phone or something, sharing something with this phone. I'm just sharing my own feedback or my thoughts or kung ano ba yun na experience ko about that phone. So, that's it. That is just the, comparison between that iPhone and also Samsung. And if, syempre kasi din, one thing din kasi, pag sinabi mo kasing Samsung, alam mo kagad na medyo pricey. Though pricey din naman si iPhone, yes, that is actually true. But when it comes kasi kay Samsung, kailangan mo pang bumili ng, high-end quality of their unit before ka makakuha ng mga magagandang quality ng camera. Meron naman talaga silang magagandang quality na camera na affordable. But, marami din silang kinross cut about that. For example, nagbigay sila ng magandang camera sa isang Samsung. Syempre, that is not good for gaming. So, ganun yung nangyari. But this S22 Ultra, good for gaming na siya. Good din yung videos. Good din yung camera niya. That is actually good. Sa iPhone naman kasi, kahit na affordable pa yung phone nila, maganda talaga yung nabibigay nilang quality ng camera. Especially na lang yung XR na previously natin review. But if you're going to compare naman yung XR to the latest version of iPhone, of course, mas maganda talaga yung latest version ni iPhone. Kasi nga, syempre, maraming feature na dinagdag si iPhone or madami nang dinagdag na feature si Apple when it comes sa mga camera nila na nasa present na, right? So, nagigets niyo yung point doon. So, That is only the thing that I've noticed with this Samsung and also iPhone. So yun lang naman yung difference nila. So yes, I can recommend this Samsung S22 Ultra if you have a budget. And if you're not a fan of iPhone or Apple units or brand, go ahead and purchase a Samsung instead. So S22 is actually good within this year 2025. I can recommend this one if you want to you know, start vlogging, TikTok, Reels, gaming. Perfect na perfect po itong S22 Ultra. Ang ganda din ng screen niya. Actually, maganda yung body build ni S22 Ultra. Though, again, hindi ako pro. Pero kasi sa akin, hindi talaga kasi ako fan ng mga LG phone. Kasi, mas sanay kasi talaga ako sa tempered glass eh. Meron namang hydrogel na pwede mong gamitin sa Samsung. Pero kasi, since I'm not a fan of LG phone, mas prefer ko talaga si iPhone when it comes sa screen. Kahit nasabihin pa natin na AMOLED si Samsung. Pero sa gaming talaga, maganda talaga si S22. Si S22 Ultra pang gaming. Kasi ang laki ng screen niya, at full talaga yung screen na makakapaglaro ka dyan ng ML, COD, Clash of Clans, Hawk, yan, maganda talagang maglaro dyan. So that is just my quick feedback again with this Samsung S22 Ultra. I hope nakatulong ako sharing my own experience and my own feedback when it comes sa camera niya. Again, you can go back to this video if you want to check the sample videos that I've take with this Samsung S22 Ultra when it comes sa kanyang back or main camera videos, front-facing camera videos, and also some samples using that phone. So that's it mga sis Mars. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Maring Ana, and don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. See you ulit sa ating next na vlog, and buyers!